Hi, good day, Miss Maria Karina Estay. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day. I am Maria Carolina E. Estay. I am 36 years of age, currently residing here in Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I am happily married. I have 3 children. They are all boys. My eldest son is now at 17 years of age. My second born is at 10 years of age. And my youngest son is now at 2 years of age.
Alright, thank you. How many siblings do you have?
I am the third among the 5 siblings.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergraduate. I didn't finish my college because I got pregnant early.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I haven't had the opportunity to work abroad yet.
Do you have any local experience as domestic helper?
Yes, I work as a domestic helper locally here in Philippines for 2 years from December 2021 until December 30, 2023. I serve a husband and wife and their 1-year-old baby.
Alright, thank you. Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper.
My duties and responsibilities are do the household chores such as cleaning the house, washing, drying, and ironing clothes, assisting childcare such as feeding, bathing, and playing with the baby, and changing diaper.
Alright, thank you. How many kids did you take care of your previous employer?
I took good care only one child, 1-year-old baby.
Thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as I am diligent, trustworthy, hardworking, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have a tattoo at my left hand wrist.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide better future for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, I'm a little bit scared of dogs and cats, but I am willing to learn to go around with them safely.
Can you give us an idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
First, I will patiently and stay calm, talk to him or her, and ask what he or she wants.
Alright, thank you. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I can sing. I hope you will like it. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Alright, thank you. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to do my best to do my work and promise to finish my contract and continue working with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you.